show no fear, think of me by your side. All is clear, know what we have to do. Show no fear, baby, it'll be alright. I know that it's hard to be apart.
Hey guys, so today we're going to be installing the fully adjustable rear shock from 402 Innovations. You can see it's super sleek, super good price too compared to the other ones that are out there. And of course G-Stance is here with me again. He's going to make sure we do everything correctly, and we're going to start by taking off all of these side fairings. Look at this is super cool too.
Yeah, well, we're only lifting it up enough for the rear wheel to be in the air. Okay. So that way when we take this and this off, this can drop a little bit, and then we can lift it up by hand to get everything where it needs to be.
Okay.
Rear stand probably would work too, or we could use them over there.
Okay.
So, bottom bolt and then top bolt, and it should slide out just like that.
Okay.
What do you think it is?
What I think what is?
Sizing. Call it.
14.
It's definitely a 14.
Did I get it right?
But you're looking at the opposite side. This side over here, the 14.
Yeah, but I could tell it's a 14 because of the nut that's right here.
Well, that's a 17. This is my point.
Oh, so I didn't get it right.
Being apart, but soon I'll be there with you. Show no fear, think of me by your side. All is clear, know what we have to do. Show no fear, baby, it'll be alright. I know that it's hard being apart, but soon I'll be there with you. Show no fear, think of me by your side. All is clear, know what we have to do. Show no fear, baby, it'll be alright. I know that it's hard being apart, but soon I'll be there with you.
Depending on how tight it is.
If you had an actual gun with an air compressor, you could get it off. You can just get the net off by spinning the 17 off.
Is that on your Christmas wish list?
Christmas wish list. Got it? Net off?
Oh yeah, there, yeah.
Push the thing there.
I could stick something there.
Okay, ready? So
what do I do?
So you're gonna swing the bottom out, okay. Up, and then pull.
There we go. Okay, cool. Look at this.
You wanna compare? Put them next to each other?
Yeah.
Up, there it goes, rolling away.
I don't need it anyways.
So pull that one out. If you put maybe on here. So you can tell right away. It goes that way. Okay. So, notice any differences?
So it looks like in here, there's gotta be some fluid that helps it compress.
So the biggest difference you're gonna see is look at the thickness of this and the thickness of that. See the difference?
Yeah, and this is gonna absorb all of it.
Yeah, so they're bigger, so they're gonna have definitely a bigger spring rate. Obviously, look at the thickness of like this.
So one question that I have is, why is this one longer than this? Like, is this one better because it gives you more shock than this one, like more travel almost?
There's not that big of a size difference, but it's because of the fact that this one's adjustable.
Oh, okay, I see.
So it's adjustable.
Yeah, because you have like a whole lot more metal right here than you do on this one.
You get the adjustable arm.
Oh, okay, cool. To adjust it right here?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And that'll actually adjust the preload. So how stiff this shock is can be adjusted by pushing down, it gets stiffer, and pulling up, it get a lot less stiffer.
Okay.
Okay, we don't need it just as of yet. We'll figure it out right now.
Okay.
Let's just get the shock on at the very least.
So you want to put this part through first?
Yeah. So, but we gotta leave the shock kind of over here.
Okay. I can hold it if you need
Yeah.
to.
Good. You recording?
Yeah.
All right. The reservoir?
Okay, so we're gonna put the reservoir through here first.
Yeah, kind of in between like this rear set and
Okay.
the actual frame. Just kind of snug it through
And you also want the line to go through
to the passenger side. Yeah. You can't remove this. The second you remove this, you remove the nitrogen that's in there, and you'd actually have to go get that refilled if you did. But don't remove that. So now that I'm through, we're gonna have to snake the front bolt.
There we go.
What I found best is if you go lower than the actual bolt, and then work your way in, and then work your way
Up.
up.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's a lot better.
See that?
Yep.
Okay. So let's do this. Let's put the top bolt on first. Kind of get it to line up.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
I'll do the same size.
You have the nut on there.
Once we get the bolt through,
Okay.
there you go. And then let's get the bottom bolt in. You want to lift up the tire just a little bit, not too much.
Okay. Here, let me fix this for you. Let's go for it. There you go.
Perfect. So the shock is on. You could actually remove the jack. Just twist it. There you go. So we have the bracket pre-mounted over here on this side of the engine, and we're going to try and snake this as far inwards as we can, and actually that's probably as far as we're going to get.
You want to give them little details on how we got that?
Yeah, so you just remove the two 8mm. There's nothing behind it except for this little bracket here, and then you can put the plate here and then reinstall the two 8mm, and then everything's good to go. You get the quick adjustment here, and it just reaches. It's a little tight, but it reaches all the way over.
And this is a custom-made bracket by 402 Innovations. So they went ahead and made that for you guys to go ahead and mount it in there. And as you can see, mine is powder coated to match my subframe. So it's a cool little detail that they added in.
Show no fear, think of me by your side. All is clear, know what we have to do. Show no fear, baby, it'll be alright. I know that it's hard being apart, but soon I'll be there with you. Show no fear, show no fear. Think of me by your side. All is clear. Know what we have to do. Show no fear. Baby, it'll be alright. I know that it's hard being apart, but soon I'll be there with you. 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 I know that it's hard being apart, but soon I'll be there with you. Show no fear, think of me by your side. All is clear, know what we have to do. Show no fear, baby, it'll be alright. I know that it's hard being apart, but soon I'll be there with you.
I definitely recommend it. I haven't tried it yet, but it looks like a lot of fun. Our neighbors probably hate us, but if you own a grom, you know how fun this is.